This is an Orbital sander. Pretty good tool. But if you're going to put a stain or natural finish on a wood project, you may not want to use it for your final sanding. It will leave unsightly swirl marks, which I have been sanding out. I had a terrible swirl mark here. I was trying to make it go away with many, many coats of polyurethane, but at some point you gotta stop lying to yourself. So, got this simple piece of wood here, several grits of sandpaper, starting with 60. I'm gonna work my way up to 80, and then eventually 120. So this is a setback and a learning experience, but I don't have a hard deadline on this project, and I like to learn stuff, even if it is sometimes the hard way.